Imagine two people earning exactly the same salary. One becomes financially free. The other stays trapped in debt for decades. The difference isn't intelligence. It isn't luck. And it definitely isn't income. The difference is psychology. Most people believe wealth is created by earning more money. But in reality, wealth is usually built through decisions, habits, and behaviors that happen long before money appears. Today, we'll explore 15 financial mistakes that quietly keep millions of people poor. And chances are, you've made at least one of them. Mistake 1. Lifestyle inflation. The moment income rises, spending rises too. New phone, better car, bigger apartment, more subscriptions. Instead of investing the extra money, people upgrade their lifestyle. Their income increases, but their wealth doesn't. Mistake 2. Buying liabilities thinking they're assets. Many people call everything they own an asset. But true assets put money into your pocket. Liabilities take money out. A luxury car may look impressive, but if it loses value and costs money every month, it's not building wealth. Mistake 3. Chasing status. Humans naturally seek social approval. Companies understand this. That's why luxury brands sell emotions more than products. Many people spend money trying to appear rich. Ironically, wealthy people often focus on becoming rich, rather than looking rich. Mistake 4. Not understanding compounding. Compounding is often called the eighth wonder of the world. Small amounts invested consistently can become enormous over decades. Most people underestimate time and overestimate quick wins. Mistake 5. Waiting for the perfect moment. People wait for the perfect market, the perfect salary, the perfect opportunity. Years pass. Nothing happens. Successful investors understand that consistency beats timing. Mistake 6. Financial decisions driven by emotion. Fear causes panic selling. Greed causes reckless buying. Excitement creates unnecessary spending. Emotions are expensive. The market often rewards discipline more than. Mistake 7. Living without a system. Most people manage money using memory, not systems. No budget. No automation. No investment plan. Wealth is usually the result of systems repeated over time, depending on a single income source. One income source creates vulnerability, job loss, economic downturn, industry disruption. Multiple income streams create resilience. Mistake 9. Ignoring financial education. People spend years learning how to earn money, but very little time learning how money works. Understanding investing, taxes, debt, and risk can change financial outcomes dramatically. Mistake 10. Seeking quick riches. Get-rich-quick schemes appeal to human psychology. They promise shortcuts, but wealth creation usually rewards patience, not urgency. Mistake 11. Comparing yourself to others. Social media creates constant comparison. You see people's highlights, not their debt, not their mistakes, not their financial struggles. Comparison often leads to poor financial decisions. Mistake 12. Avoiding calculated risks. Playing too safe can be risky. Avoiding investments entirely often guarantees loss of purchasing power through inflation. Every financial decision carries risk, including doing nothing. Mistake 13. Using debt for consumption. Debt used for consumption creates future problems. You're spending tomorrow's money today. Interest quietly compounds against you. The same force that builds wealth can also destroy it. Mistake 14. Thinking small savings don't matter. Many people ignore small expenses, but wealth is often built through consistent behavior. Small leaks sink large ships. Small improvements build large fortunes. Mistake 15. Believing wealth is about money. This may be the biggest mistake. Wealth isn't just money. It's freedom. Freedom to choose. Freedom to say no. Freedom to spend time how you want. Money is simply the tool. Spend their lives chasing more income. But wealth rarely starts with income. It starts with behavior. The good news? Psychology can be changed. Habits can be changed. Decisions can be changed. And when those change, financial outcomes often follow. Which of these mistakes do you think is the most dangerous? Let us know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, subscribe for more insights on wealth, investing, psychology, and financial freedom.